Hi there, please like and subscribe. I beg you. You can control Google Maps, your voice. Yeah. Okay. Tap. Settings. Navigation. Okay, Google detection, hands-free, voice command. Get hands-free help your assistant from Google Gemini or Google Assistant. Hey, Google Assistant, your assistant. Every time you say Google, even if your screen is off, record a voice match so your assistant can tell you apart from others. Get things on hands-free with your assistant from. If you angry, your assistant will wait in standby mode to detect you. Hey Google, so you can make calls and message, play music, set timer, and do more hands-free. Okay, keep in mind. Hey Google, required voice match to recognize you. Hey Google, voice match are powered by Google. Without Hey Google, you can still use touch to get help from your assistant. Your assistant may activate when you didn't intend to, like there is a noise that sounds like Hey Google, or it's activated accidentally by touch. Change the options anytime your assistant settings. When the settings are on, you can talk into Gemini or Google Assistant, whichever is on hands-free. Tap I agree. Activate voice match for Hey Google. You set app voice and announce the device. Hello Google to use your existing voice clip so your assistant can recognize your voice and the device to voice. Allow assistant from Google. Okay, describe blah blah blah. I agree. Google's ready. It looks like you're already set up voice match. It's your assistant on your another device. Previous recording can be used to make a voice match on the device. This should take a minute. Okay, next. Okay, say, hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Sounds great. Your device can recognize voice on your Hey Google. You can change this voice in your next. Yeah, we can delete voice message. Okay. Please look careful. It will be very useful. Okay. Hey Google, open up Google Map. Oh, okay. Hey Google, navigate to airport.
I found a few places related to airports near you. Hector International Airport Viewing Park, Dakota Drive, Fargo, North Dakota, 58102, 8.1 miles from current location. Moorhead Municipal Airport, 3309 70th
Hey
Street
Google.
South, Glendon, Minnesota,
Hey Google.
56547, 8.2 miles from current location.
Hey Google.
Hector International.
Stop. Hey Google, navigate to airport. What is that? Okay, good. Hey Google, directions to home.
Head south on 24th Street South toward 70th Avenue South, then turn left onto 70th Avenue South.
Hey Google, exit navigation. Hey Google, take me to Bell Bank.
Bell Bank, Fargo Timber Creek may be closed by the time you arrive.
Hey Google, navigate to work. Hey Google, how's traffic to home?
On your way to Moorhead, traffic is light. It is 9 minutes by car.
Hey Google, show road overview. Hey Google, avoid tolls.
You will now arrive at 3:45 p.m. Head south on 24th Street South toward 70th Avenue South, then turn left onto 70th Avenue South. Head south on 24th Street South.
Hey Google, avoid highways.
You will now arrive at 3:46 p.m. Head south on 24th Street South toward 70th Avenue South, then turn left onto...
Hey Google, find gas station.
Here's what I found along your route for gas station.
Okay Google, unmute guidance. Okay Google, mute guidance. Okay Google, where am I?
You are currently located at 6188 Silverleaf Drive, South Fargo, North Dakota, 58104, USA. A map showing your location is displayed above.
Hey Google, play Michael Jackson.
Sure, playing Michael Jackson on Spotify.
What? Hey Google, play Lady Gaga.
Okay, playing Lady Gaga on Spotify.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Play Lady Gaga Bad Romance.
Sure, Bad Romance by Lady Gaga. Here it is on Spotify.
What?
Tell me something.
Hey Google. Play Michael Jackson Smooth Criminal.
Smooth Criminal by Michael Jackson. Sure, playing on Spotify.
Hey Google. What the weather like is my destination?
Currently in Fargo, it's 25 degrees and cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy, with a forecasted high of 35 and a low of 25.
Please like and subscribe. I beg.